next. Sports companies are constantly competing with each other to design footballs which are rounder and faster than ever before. And although David Beckham might be able to tell you how to bang in a great free kick, if you want to know how a great ball is made, then you've got to go to a manufacturer. The outside of the ball is made from a sheet of foam. It's been coated in polyurethane, which will help to stop it from getting scuffed. It'll be attached to an inner layer next, so they prepare the foam by coating it in glue. They use a latex glue which is elastic. This will help the layers to stay together despite the strains of being kicked at 80 miles per hour. The sheets are then left on a rack until the glue becomes tacky. Next, they're going to join the two layers together. The foam's placed on top of the inner layer, which is made from a special fibre that will help the ball keep its shape. A worker uses a roller to press them together. Then the layers pass through a machine which applies pressure to the sheets, and they form a permanent bond. The foam gives the ball an explosive energy to make it fly off the boot. Image isn't just important for footballers, it's important for footballs too. The ball's design is put on using a screen printer. This machine punches out the shaped panels that will make the football. Each ball is made from 32 panels, 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons. A worker bundles them together into stacks to be sent off for stitching. It's all looking a bit flat at the moment, but the contents of this box will soon become 20 footballs. They are sewn together by hand. The stitcher will use 15 meters of thread per ball, and it will take him 3.5 hours to finish each one. He leaves a few panels unstitched so the ball can be turned the right way out. Then the inner tube gets put in and the ball can be completely sewn up. It's inflated and looks ready for the pitch, but there are a few more steps to go. This machine puts the ball under high pressure and heats it up to 70 degrees. It makes the ball even and perfectly round. Then there are a couple of checks that have to be done to make sure that it meets FIFA regulations. It needs to weigh between 420 and 445 grams, and the circumference has to be 69 centimeters. FIFA only allow 5 millimeters leeway. The factory only produces 750 balls a day. Hours are spent making each one to exacting standards. If only the England team spent as long practicing penalties, then maybe they'd hit the top corner a bit more often.